how to add an additional hard drive to the Lian Li LANCOOL II computer. So to add in the hard drive, first we need to turn off the computer and unplug the power. Okay, so here we need to take the case out from the other side on the right hand side. Okay, so with this particular case, we just need to pull it out from here to open the bottom part, and then have your finger in here and pull out the glass. At the back here there are covers, so if you have a larger hard drive, this is a larger hard drive, not the small one, not the SSD hard drive. This is the smaller one, goes in here, but because we have a larger one, we're going to place it at this back of the panel. Okay, so there's screws here that you can open. This will allow you to move the cover. And at the bottom here, there are compartments. Okay, and on the left hand side at the front, there is also grills. Yeah, just open it, and then you see there are different slots down here that we can open. So this will allow you to pull out this tray, and then you can put the hard drive on it. Okay, so you can put the hard drive into the tray. On the side there are small slots for you to secure the hard drive with the screws. Okay, and so now we can slot the hard drive back into the slot. Okay, that's locked the hard drive into place, and we can cover the top cover. Okay, so now if you go to the right hand side, you can see at the back here there is now a slot at the bottom right here. Okay, so that slot will allow you to connect the power cable and the SATA cable. Okay, on the PC we need to locate the SATA port right here. Okay, so it's right here on this one, so we need to connect to that and the hard drive. So that is on the motherboard, this SATA port. So right here we connect the cable to that port right there. So I'm just trying to get a focus on that. Okay, this cable here, we connect to that drive. And then we just need to connect the power. This is the power to the drive. And I'll connect this one to the top drive up here at the top. And once it is connected, we can close the case. And then close the glass cover. We forgot to put this one on, so put this one on to cover it. Okay, so I have the cover, the case, the cable cover. And now we can boot up the computer. Okay, now if you go into System, Storage, and Storage Use on other drives, you can see we have now successfully detected a new hard drive add to the Windows 11 computer on Lian Li case. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.